Well, hi. Alrighty. So, yesterday we got out basically everything that we could need. So I'm gonna just squash, because I don't feel like doing styles as of now. But I'm going to squash everything into the center and then work on the idea that stuff should be that should give a random recipe every single, I'd say 24 hours. Yeah. So first let's start with just aligning everything in the center. Because I also don't like HTML, so faster I can get. I mean, I have to work on the design eventually, but let's start it. Let's do it later because it is easy to refactor. Won't take that much. I don't enjoy it at all. So, 10, 12. And actually, I'm gonna copy all of this. So I'm gonna go get the timer. I'm gonna add the timer so that it refreshes, let's say, at midnight. Should change, the recipe should change. Afterwards, I'm going to fix a simple design. Again, not a designer, don't love designing, so I'm gonna just pick something to get inspired. And afterwards, I should fix the DB so that I can get off these little dots. I'm not quite sure why the dots got out, but that's a easier problem to solve than how it was for the database. Okay. Now it's slightly nicer. Originally, I also thought about having. I did not push anything. Simple interface. and push it. Now, originally, I did not have thought about. Actually, I wanted to also had the idea of having photos and having a ranked system. But I'm going to take one step ahead. First, I want to have the fully fledged feature of being able to having the website that gets out a recipe every 24 hours. Maybe add a test to do it like every 5 minutes, and then should go, and then we get it better. So crons in Golang. Actually run jobs every 5 minutes. Golang. I hope there's something in the standard library. Nah, let's go with crons. I want to read the context, but let's go with crons. Time ticker. Ticker holds a chance to deliver sticks of a clock at intervals. Ticker returns a new ticker contains a channel that will send the current time on the channel after each tick. The period of ticks is specified by the duration argument. The ticks will adjust the interval or drop ticks to make a slow receiver. The duration must be greater than 0, if not, ticker will panic. Before Go 223, garbage collector did not recover tickers that had not yet expired or been stopped. So call immediately deferred T. Stop after calling new ticker, so make the ticker recall when no longer needed. Well, let's try. Technically, I just start a ticker and every 24, well, to test it every minute, but every 24 hours, I can just check it. But that's not a cron. Maybe I can just OS cron it. Because this is a timer, that's not what we actually wanted. Well, all right. Let's try this. Shit. It requires Go 11. Got it. Refer to the documentation. Sure. Coils merges functs to be invoked or given schedule. Cron will run them in their own routines. So start a new cron. Great. Exactly what I wanted. Very simple. Every half an hour, every hour, every 30 minutes. No. I would say this is one of those problems for ChatGPT. Run a cron every 5 seconds. God damn it. Give me the syntax. Son of a bitch. Using cron Unix cron syntax. Well, I guess it's my bad. I should have told him what I want specifically. Alright, you useless piece of shit. Cron tab. You know what? Even better. Man. Cron tab. Actually, man cron. Alright. So minutes, hours, days, month, day of the week. N is 5. The extended one is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So every half an hour, the file should be a star. Get it every 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds. Perhaps air doesn't handle stuff that what I think it does. Or perhaps it crashed. Like I swear. Like I swear. This bullshit. Oh my god. Crashes so often. Also, I'm gonna take the other day route. Because I mean, it doesn't get me so much space. To have it run beside me, it's amazing. But yeah, it's been 5 seconds. Try with every 5 sec. Hell, every 1 sec. Looks like this won't work. Sad. Wait, 1-0. Still nothing. Oh, so I don't have... One min... 5 sec. Because at the same time, I believe that could be simply a problem of the program itself. Let's go to the TMP. Make a small Golang program. So now drop in the first 2 lines from here. Well, actually, let's drop down this server. Let's not serve. How about a panic? I think I'm misunderstanding the cron stuff. So minutes, hours, days, month, seconds. Minutes, hours, day, month, year. Extended. So see, that's why I want to start being more patient and read the fucking docs. Every time what I need will, well, not every time, but most of the times what I need will be there. And even if that doesn't work, like the other day with the sequel, at least I should pay attention. Well, anyway, it runs every minute, so that's exactly what I want. Well, not exactly what I want, but that should be fine. And what I want to try. Oh yeah, thanks. Right. What I need now to do is simply pass an argument, start the cron, uh, and query. Now I'm querying the first recipe, but I should query one random recipe I'm gonna say by offsetting it. I can offset it in a value from 1 to 45k or whatever the value is. Change this value randomly every 24 hours and start by doing that. Then afterwards, well, after I'm just going to save the value or make it less possible or somehow. I could save it to a DB and see if it has been took over or not. Now, what I'm curious, why does it print only once? Maybe like every 1 second. Repeat. That constant delay schedule. Constant delay schedule represents a simple recurring duty cycle every 5 minutes. New parser, cron, new parser. Cron, new cron seconds. So should describe increments of range. Get the third minute of the hour every 15 minutes after. Yearly, monthly, weekly, daily, hourly. This 1 second feels very long. Oh, right. There we go. Thank you very much for the abstraction. So, now let's get the random number from 1 to my limit, and we're golden. Then we have to just start tying up everything, start working on a pipeline, and make it beautiful. Today I just want to grab my recipe and change it every like 5 seconds, and take a look at how the website restarts. Out of the fun, I could just also make it be a socket, so that every time the connection is open, I can just change it. I don't think it's needed since it changes every 24 hours, but yeah, not needed. Too bad. Now this cron definitely starts here, and rather than changing this, it should change global var to the is recipe, which would start by 101. Actually, 0. So this is the offset 0, which will be the first recipe. Let's keep making it uglier. So limit 1 offset plus phase recipe plus my underscore. Well, damn. Maybe I should take this out. God damn it. I believe it's strings. What's up? There are insufficient data left in message. Insufficient data letter statement. I can't offset by 0. PSQL. Or then WhatsApp. Whenever you sync it format parts of table or field. Well then, there's a space over here, so that's not it. Insufficient data. The second, I can't see the global, but it compiles. Calling. Hold up a second. This is a number. Damn. From number to string. Okay. Damn. That's equivalent to format int 64. Amazing job. Still learning Go, yeah? Now, make this query change every 5 seconds should be as simple as oh yeah. I should also make a function that updates my max offset. And this should be updated every time I log in, well, every time this website starts. Also, well, I can copy this. There's no need to get smart. Every time I feel like, hey, I should take this out, but it's fine. I'm gonna say set It's nothing. I gotta say, this project had been fun up until dealing with Postgres. So that was a bit of great programming. Now making the HTML part, the actual usable part, is making me go to sleep. Next project, I can go back. I can't wait to go back to a project that is more about the technical stuff. I really don't enjoy the making it pretty and the making stuff. Probably should just sprint it very fast and not caring about anything else. Expand to background, select, count anything from recipes. And we should pass this max offset. Scan. Yes, the dot scan max offset. Looks good. Get back to the main. Let's put over here. Set. Set. Get max row. Get max rows. Build it back up. Probably should print them out. And it crashed. You son of a bitch. Great. Now, so this should run every 5 seconds and simply get me a random value. Close it up. Random value. Between those numbers. Great. Rand.int max offset. The hell do you want? Why does it want a reader? Crypto rank? What? Amazing. Now the offset. Well, this should work. Or it does not. Wait, of course I'm getting a random recipe, but I'm not setting a random recipe. Max offset. Wait. Why is it random every time? Most of the functionality done. Again, I'm going to be very bored about doing the interface and all of this bullshit. Should try to get them out very fast and not think about it anymore. But first, why the hell does this update take, let's say, 30 seconds? The only stuff that keeps me very the only way that keeps me very engaged is that I know I have to write the query to deploy it, and I've read about the idea of having a multi-stage deploy using Docker. Now that sounds fun. I want to try it. Next time that I deploy Golang, I also want to try it as a system D, because Docker is fine. I'm glad I tried it out. I'm glad I know how to set it up now. But it feels overkill. I don't know why I shouldn't just build it in the GitHub, save it as an artifact, and then straight up download it to the website. What in the damn hell? Well, good news is we have a bug, bad news is we have a bug. What the fuck is going on? Well, it looks like after the first time that I start my recipe, it will just get me random numbers every time I reload, which is not what's... Am I misunderstanding something about the offset? Because it's always the same. Why does the recipe change? Does it have something to do with my connection being closed and open again? Fucking Postgres offset. What? I believe I simply don't understand offset, which is what? You know, allow you to adjust a portion of, yeah. If a limit count is given, no more units than row. Offset says to skip that many rows beginning to return rows. Offset 0 is the same as opening offset. No is an argument. If both offset unit appear, the offset rows are skipped before starting to count the limit. Offset returns every time a different query. Same query, same offset, different rows. This is shocking. Like, what the fuck is going on? Am I keep going offsetting my last query for some reason? Well, damn. Which means order by Do I have an ID or something? Order by ID Postgres. So Postgres decides how the order goes every time I connect. Every time I query. Postgres doesn't give a shit. Order by, I don't remember my columns. Check db columns Postgres /d check column names Postgres d recipes. Yeah, so let's order by ID. See, that's why I feel that I should that I have to from recipe. Okay, I'm back. Thank you for the heads up. So now this is a different problem. Every how long am I switching? Wait, it crashed. No. Ah, damn, there's cocktails. That's not good. Can't just have the dinner be cocktails. Now this is confusing. Why? Why? Why Postgres? Or am I stupid? Yep, am I stupid? I am stupid. Not a question anymore, it's the definition. You know what? Today I feel like I'm a bit sleepy. And again, not feeling amazingly motivated. Sunday we will get a lot more progress. Actually, because I'm doing a website from a friend of mine, he has a band. So unless he texts me and tells me to proceed to make his website, I think I'm just gonna run it down, maybe finish it by next week. I'm also planning on starting like half of like yeah, between 15 November start to take a look at Rust or Elixir because I will do the Advent of Code. So I really want to get this out, get out the website from my friend, and before we start the Advent of Code, study some Rust and get back into a little bit of game dev. So let's just finish this off very quickly, pipe it up, and wait for my girlfriend to make me a design. I'm not much of a design buff, as you've seen, so I won't do that. Well, tomorrow is Saturday, which I usually don't stream, and I believe I won't. I need some sleep. I'm gonna catch up on my sleep and stream directly to you Sunday, but for shorter amount of time than usual. Well, thank you for watching. See ya.